Yeah. Uh, yeah.
Hello. My name is Tans and I'm a rider. Today, guys, I'm taking you with me to East London. We are going to attend a day job beachfront, or should I say a beachfront day job. Look, some clubs are very lucky out there because they get to see this every day. We are interlocked and we are center of the country. As a club, unfortunately, we have to go to such places. Anyway, this is us on our way, enjoying the ride. Let me tell you, the ride was windy, it was raining, it was cold. The morning was bad, but we rode anyway. So we met a friend on the way. I think we met in Alwell North. Yes, so this was us just stopping for the last time, just before we stop in East London. And yeah, what a ride it was. What a ride it is. So come along, let's go. And this is me. So we are attending Buffalo City Riders. And let me tell you, you are gonna love it. I loved it. You're gonna love it. Well, we're here. Let's go.
Tired of chasing perfection. Took a lot of L's on the road to redemption. Ain't no half stepping. I need some clarity. Not begging for prosperity. I need some clarity. Open my eyes, Lord. Open my eyes, Lord.
Good morning. This is day 2 of our ride in East London, and today we are attending the day job. And yeah, it's very hard to wake up, but let's go. And then it was time for us to go to where the jewel is, and this is what we found. See how beautiful are the views, guys. Like, we took pictures also. The place is just beautiful. A beachfront day job. Buffalo City Riders. Yeah, no. What a beautiful place. The views, and us being us, we just had to dip our feet in there, at least just before the job started.
Also, get me 2 ladies from your team. Ladies, guys, get another blue, 2 more blue. I need 2 more blue here. Yeah.
Then it was time for prize giving, and yours truly received a helmet for the longest distance female rider. And as we reached the end of the day, it was time to prepare to leave for tomorrow. And today it was time for us to leave. Yeah, and I was taking pictures with my new helmet. It matched my knees. Yeah. Thank you for watching my vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share.